So you've ideated your video, you've scripted your video, you've edited, well, you've got an editor to edit your video, and now you've got to post it. But you have a batch of videos that you need to be posting every single day, but you're a busy business owner. You don't have time to go on your Instagram app every single day, click the post button, and then keep on scrolling for hours, because you know that's what you're going to do. You don't have time to do that. So here's how to actually schedule your videos out for completely free, and a scheduler that doesn't actually affect your views, because most schedulers, and that's why you probably don't schedule your videos out, because people say, oh, they affect your views, it affects your views. This one doesn't, because it's a part of actual Instagram and Facebook. It's called something called Meta Business Suite, and I want to show you quickly how you can schedule your content out, either in a batch or in just single posts. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to go to Meta Business Suite. You're going to make sure your Instagram account and everything's connected, which it should be. And then what you're going to do is go to content, and what you can do is click on this button up here. You can press bulk upload reels, and that way you can bulk upload the reels. But what I want to actually show you in this video is how to upload one by one, because that's, I would say, better. So what you're going to do is go to planner. You're going to go down to, as you can see, it's kind of like a planner, it's kind of like a content calendar here. And what you can do is you can go to schedule, and as you can see, it actually tells you what time your followers are most active. So for me, it's 4 p.m. So I can post an hour before 4 p.m. so it gets within the algorithm and it's more likely to go out to more people. So I'm going to press on schedule. I'm going to go create reel, or whatever you're posting. I would say most of you post reels. You're going to post add video. And what I'm going to do is just add one of my clients' videos. Just add this one. Open.
Investment of 5.
And make sure it's not thingy. And what this is going to do is just going to upload the reel. It's going to take a while. And when it uploads, what you can do is press next, which I will show you when this is actually uploaded. Hopefully it does actually upload. So yeah, all you're going to do is press next, next again. And then there's going to be a button saying publish or schedule. You're going to press schedule, of course, again. And then just put the date, put the time, and at the bottom it's going to say publish. But yeah, that's really simply how to schedule your videos out. My bad that I couldn't show you because it won't load for some reason, but it's really simple next steps. Next again, and then you're going to press schedule, put the time, and then press publish, and it's going to schedule those videos out that you want in advance. But that's exactly how to save time when scheduling your content out, so you don't have to manually post every single day. And this is not going to affect your views because it's linked with Instagram and Facebook. It's Meta Business Suite. But I hope you got some value from this. If you want to join my email list, it's the second link in the description. I give away value like this every single day, and also content resources every day. And if you got some value from this and you want to learn how to get 5 to 15 extra clients within 90 days through just posting content, it's this video up here somewhere. You can click on it and watch it. But I hope you got some value from this, and peace.